Okay, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Mlenga. So, here with me, I've got a question, this one, which is on the board as you can see it. So, this question came in 2019 GCE Mathematics Paper 2. Okay, and the question is simplify. I want you to simplify this question. Now, when you look at this question, here the sign that you are dealing with is division. Then you have this fraction and this other fraction. Okay, so what you can do here, first change this from division to multiplication. So you are going to write this. Okay, you write 10x to the power of 3 y squared over 35 x squared then y to the power of 4 times. So the division will change to multiplication. Then when that happens, this numerator on top will become now the denominator, and this denominator at the bottom will go on top to become your numerator. So we are going to have 7x to the power of 4 y squared over 2x squared y squared. All right, so as you can see here, we look in the diagonals. These are the diagonals. Okay, we look in the diagonals. So as you can see, we have a 10 here, there is a 2 there, here there is a 7, there is a 35. So I'm dealing with the numbers first. Okay, so that it becomes very easy. So I'll say 7 there, 1 into 35. 7 goes there many times? 5, because when you multiply 7 times 5 you get 35. If it can't go there without leaving a remainder, don't divide. Okay, now here you have 10 and the 2. These 2 can go into 10 minus, not giving us a remainder. You divide 2 here, 1 into 10, 5. Okay, 5. So what are we going to remain with? I'll remain with a 5x cubed y to the power of 2. So I'll write as 5 times. Now x to the power of 3 means it was multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay, the variable x. So it's x times x times x. Okay, then times y squared. It's y times y over. So here I've remained with a a 5. So it's 5 times, as you can see, there is x squared, which is x times x. Okay, then times y to the power of 4, y times y times y times y. Okay, I hope it's clear here what you have done. I hope it's clear. Now let's look to the other fraction, which is this one. Okay, times. So here we did divide 7 into itself, which is 1. Okay, we remained with x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 means x was multiplied by itself 4 times. So I'll expand this one, x times x times x times x. Okay, 4 times y times y. Okay, times y times y. The reason why I was saying y times y, because y is raised to the power of 2. It's squared, meaning y was multiplied by itself twice. Okay, over. Down here, what are we remaining with? Here we had a 2. So a 2 was divided into itself. We remained with a 1. Okay, which went into 10 that side. So x squared, it's x times x times y squared, y times y. If you have understood this principle, then it's very important for you. Okay, and very easy. So what do you need to do? What are we supposed to do? You can start cancelling now the letters. Okay, so you can start with this side y and y, this y and that y. Okay, then we come to this x and that x, this x and that x. Okay, then we also come here, this y and this y, this y and that y. Okay, I hope you are following. So meaning the y here we have finished cancelling the y. Then we can come to x. This x, if you want, you can cancel that one or this one, anywhere is fine. And this x, and this x. Okay, now you can see in terms of the numbers, we're having a 5 here, this 5, 1 here, 1. Okay, I hope you are following. So let's see, what are we remaining with? Here we have cancelled almost everything. Okay, we are remaining with this x. Okay, then for the denominator, we are remaining with y times y. Okay, I hope you are able to see. So this x will be multiplied with x times x, because it's the one that you are remaining with. So how many x's are you going to have? X times x times x, which will give you x to the power of 3 over, okay, here you're remaining with y times y. Okay, this side everything was cancelled there, meaning it's a 1. Okay, so just consider y times y, which is a y squared. So this is our answer. Okay, remember, you can just simplify on this stage. You can just simplify everything on this stage, where you cancel this y squared and this y squared, into y to the raised to the power of 4, you remain with a y squared. Okay, this x squared into x cubed, you remain with a single x. 2 into 10, 7 into 35, just like that. Okay, now you can do that if you have answered the lot of these questions, you are advanced, so to say, or you understand the steps that you can follow here. Okay, if not, just use this method so that you understand clearly and you apply it. Okay, thank you everyone. Remember to subscribe to my channel and invite your friends so that they can join the channel and enjoy the content.